Okay, we're doing something a little different today. On my dinghy trailer, the tail light failed. This is a relatively new tail light. It's only been a couple seasons, but it failed. So I got a replacement. These things are shockingly cheap on Amazon, and the quality shows. I mean, they only lasted me a couple seasons, but I think they were $20 for the entire trailer. So I bought another set, and I'm going to basically be replacing this. So the first thing I need to do is take the light off, and the bolt holding the light on is actually the ground. So here's the ground wire. Now this will not fit under the bolt that I use, so I have another terminal here, and then I also have heat shrink terminals for the connecting the wires as well. I've already shown you how to do terminal crimping on another video, but I'll show you again. But basically, I'll cut off this terminal, which is useless. I will strip back a little bit of wire. Really not the best wire in the world, but I will strip it back. And there we go. I thought the wire was damaged, but it's not. So let's talk about terminals. Almost no one knows how to do terminals correctly. I'm going to show you a good way of doing it. So basically, well, the good way to do heat shrink terminals. If you're going to do insulated terminals, it will be different. So these are high quality marine terminals. They're tinned. They have no seam. They're just really, really well made. So basically, like anything else, you stick it on. Like any other terminal, I usually want to twist the wire a little bit so it stays a little stiffer. Go into the hole. Now the gimmick is you need the right tool. There are many types of tools. This one works really well. This does not put a dimple in it like most electrical terminals tools that most people use. This will reduce the diameter of the terminal and really crush the wire. Crush the terminal and the wire so together to make one solid unit. And then when you heat shrink it, it becomes all one. And the heat shrink is really, really good. So this is red, so we're going to go on the first hole here and basically just crimp it until it stops. And then let go. That's it. This tool does not damage the heat shrink like most of the other dimple tools will. And it makes a real solid connection, unlike the dimple tools. So basically, and as far as I know, I've never seen one of these at a home center. So you generally have to get them online or on Amazon or something. So that's that. So now to shrink it, this kit does come with a lighter, but since I'm in the bay, and I'll use this on the boat because I don't have a heat gun on the boat, but in the bay I do have a heat gun, so I will use the heat gun. Gotta wait a minute for it to heat up. Make sure you heat up all the sides of the heat shrink. And that should be good. Now this will make a nice permanent waterproof connection, which I need on a trailer. So that's step one. Now I just need to get the light off, let this cool a little bit. some grease on this to keep it from rusting. Seems to have worked because it's not rusted. I only need to take this one bolt off because this is what's holding the ground screw. See the ground terminal there? So I can just do the same. Terminal on. And put the nut on. So we're back. I got the old light off, and the new one's about to go on. And they are sided. This is the left side because it has the license plate light on it. And I can't tighten these because these two bolts are what hold the light on. So once I get the wiring done, then I can put the light back on. So let's do that. So the brown wire goes to the brown wire, yellow wire goes to the yellow wire. Easy peasy. So let's take these off and do like we did with the other wire. Strip it back a little. And then the light already has the wire stripped. Now the wires on the lights are not tinned, but then again, for the price point, I wouldn't expect them to be. So again, using the high quality waterproof terminals, crimp them the same way, stick it in, use a purple crimping tool, go to the red, tighten it down, let it ratchet down all the way, done. And then this is the yellow, so let's go to the yellow wire here. And this is the wire that came in the kit. And again, it's not tinned. But if you keep it waterproof, it should be fine. Stick it in the red. Do that again. It's off a little, slipped off a little. Ta-da! Nice and tight, waterproof. Insulation is not damaged. Go with another one for the brown wire. Same thing. This is the brown wire. Probably looks like that's brown. It's just some of the yellow when it split came off. So brown wire to brown wire. All the way in. All the way in to the red spot. Ta-da! Another perfect crimp. Heat gun. So there we go. The wiring's all done. And now put this on top of the two bolts here. And I'll put the wire between the two things there. Okay, so that's on now. Ground wire is done. I usually just let that hang. I don't have any grommets, so I put some electrical tape around the wires for now. Now I get to tighten the bolts. And there we go, 100% done. Well, no, just about 100% done. Now we got to take the plastic off of the light. Most important part of the job. Now we're done. So, another easy job. The only thing I really need to do at some point is get some grommets for the wire, but it's fine for now. And I will test it later. I don't have a 12-volt battery here to try it at the moment, so I'm going to assume it works. So that's pretty much it for this video. Nice, short, easy video, and a refresher course on how to do marine wire termination. So that's done, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will have many, many more videos on the maintenance and repair of my boat. So thanks for watching.